Okay, hello guys, and today we're going to be unboxing a CD I got recently. We're going to do an unboxing of the Judas Grace 1X album. Probably my favorite album from them. Here it is. Yeah, here's front spine. Other spine in the back. (2006). Yeah, it's factory sealed. I think my mom got it for me this one. Let's go ahead and open it up. The side of the case like there was cracked though. So yeah, here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh, voila. And here's the disc. Has like dead fish inside. There's a spot right there, but oh, the case actually broke, but whatever. The case came a little bit damaged, but I just wanted to make this video because, yeah, I like this band. I love this band. So yeah, that's Austin the DVD King unboxing the Judas Grace 1X album. Thank you for watching.